In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Mailchimp with a file upload. To get started, open your Mailchimp account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, head to the Audience section. This is where all of your contact lists live and where you'll manage who receives your campaigns. Next, choose Add Contacts, then select Import Contacts. Mailchimp gives you a few ways to bring people in. And for this walkthrough, we'll use a file, which is great when you already have your contacts organized in a spreadsheet. Choose Upload a File. Prepare your file in one of the supported formats: CSV, TXT, or Excel, either XLS or XLSX. Before you upload, it's a good idea to tidy the data. Make sure each column has a clear header, like email, first name, and last name, and remove any blank rows at the bottom. Email addresses should be clean, without extra spaces, because the email field is required for every contact. Drag and drop your file into Mailchimp, or browse to locate it on your computer. Once it's uploaded, click Continue to Organize. On this screen, you'll choose where these contacts should go. Select the audience you want to add them to, perhaps your general newsletter list or a specific audience like a project news group you've already set up. Picking the correct audience now helps you keep communications targeted later. You'll also see the option to add tags. Tags are completely optional but very helpful. Think of them as quick labels that make filtering easy down the road. Things like new subscribers or leads. Apply one or more tags if it helps you keep these contacts organized. Next comes field matching, which is crucial for clean data. Mailchimp will try to match your columns automatically. Confirm that your email column maps to email address, first name maps to first name, and last name maps to last name. If a header name in your file is slightly different, just use the drop-down to match it to the correct Mailchimp field. Accurate mapping ensures your personalization works correctly when you send campaigns. When everything looks right, click Continue to review. Take a moment to scan the summary for any obvious issues, like an unexpected number of contacts or a mismatched field. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust. Finally, click Import. Mailchimp will process the file and add your contacts to the selected audience with any tags you applied. That's it. Your contacts are in, organized, and ready for your next campaign.